Hello, my name is James and I am a product specialist at Marin Acura in Corte Madera, California. Today I'm going to show you how to use the rear view camera in the screen of the 2020 RAV4 XSE with the technology package. So as you can see down here, there's a little lever and you can just switch that to turn that into a camera. Now you can press this button right here to get to your settings and to raise it up and down, and then press that button to go side to side, and then that button and then you can also dim it and turn it on and off. And that's how you use the camera system in the rear view mirror of a 2020 RAV4 with the tech package. Thank you. Bye-bye.